Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out 5 best robotic window cleaners in 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research. I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for the best robotic window glass cleaner, have the products for you. To find out more information and updated pricing on these window glass cleaners, you can check out the links in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, Robot Lifestyle RL2788 Glass Cleaner Vacuum. The Robot Lifestyle RL2788 at Control Cleaner with Water Tank Auto Window Vacuum Cleaner. Altec Smart Route Plan. After cleaning the window, automatically return to the starting point. Clean 1 square meter window in 3.5 minutes, efficient clean, saving time and effort. One-click start smart chip, L route planning, efficient and clean. 4000 pascals strong suction, can bear 6 kilograms, Robot Lifestyle Window Cleaner. Deep Clean, Window Cleaning Robot, Household Appliances, Multi-Surface Cleaning Robot. It works with a built-in vacuum motor, which helps him to suck air and to stand on the glass surface. Noise level, 60 dB Robot Lifestyle Window Cleaner. Embedded UPS system keeps the robot staying in position with alerting sound for 20 minutes. Microfiber cleaning cloth, the very fine and soft synthetic fabric strands are ideal for cleaning glass, removing dust and dirt in case and leaving no mark. Water spray atomized by 15 micrometers. Fourth product on my list, Hutt DDC5 Window Glass Cleaning Robot. The Hutt DDC5 Household Smart Automatically Plan Route Cleaner. DDC5 Window Cleaning Robot, automatic identification of plane contamination, adjust the pressure according to the degree of dirt, automatic voice broadcast, dual battery alternate endurance, easy to move when it is wiped along. Intuitive cleaning technology, our smart artificial intelligence-powered design will get your windows clean quickly and efficiently. Uses its advanced algorithm to scrub every part of your window, including those hard-to-reach areas that you would not be able to get to on your own, safe and secure, with the Hutt Window Cleaner. You do not have to climb ladders or put yourself at risk, you can clean your windows right from your sofa. Our cleaner comes with a safety rope attachment feature, ensuring double protection and security for your device remote and at power. The Hutt smart design allows it to be controlled from the palm of your hand. The Hutt comes with a full access app, allowing you to quickly and simply tailor the controls to fit your home. Deep Clean. The Hutt Window Cleaner uses suction technology to attach to your window. Third product on my list, Robot Lifestyle RL880 Smart Window Cleaner. The Robot Lifestyle Magnetic Inside Outdoor High Tall Window Cleaning Robot RL880 Cleaner. Smart cleaning robot can simplify housework and free your hands, convenient for daily use. Multiple control systems for easy operation, mobile app control, wireless remote control, and one key to start. Artificial wiping design with high speed and strong torque characteristics makes the wipe cleaner. A variety of security guarantees, such as UPS power system, not afraid of falling, safe to use even if the power is off accidentally. Suitable for flat glass, wall, tabletop, floor, ceramic tile, marble, door, etc. 8.5 cm ultra-thin body design with exquisite workmanship, much more attractive. Brushless motor has high speed and long service life, ensures that the suction at the same time reduce the noise. Intelligent path planning, the coverage reached 99%. Second product on my list, Liectroux WS-1080 Window Glass Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux WS-1080 Robot Window Laser Sensor Vacuum Cleaner. Glass cleaning, an annoying thing in many places all the world, especially big and high windows, as well as some outdoor windows. If you leave your windows for a week, they will be definitely covered with dust and become more obvious after wind or rain. It is very inconvenient and hard work to clean them by yourself. However, hiring professional cleaning workers is expensive and dangerous. Liectroux Window Cleaning Robot costs you less than having your windows professionally cleaned one time. it will be a good helper in your life. Many families, cleaning suppliers, shops, offices, etc. like it very much. WS-1080 is a square-shape, single-sided window cleaning robot. Its high-speed brushless vacuum motor keeps it steadily stick on the surface of glasses and even walls. The two patented high-friction and anti-slippery silicone belts enable the robot to move freely on the surfaces. The fiber mopping clothes are specially designed for the robot for best cleaning results, and they could be easily taken off for washing and reuse. WS-1080 has built an uninterruptible power system. In the case of power shutting off, the UPS will supply power to prevent the robot falling off from the glass. It is highly recommended to tie the safety rope, which could hold up to 150 kilograms weight, to some fixture of your room whenever using the robot. Beyond that, the WS-1080 has two types of built-in intelligent sensors. One is the laser sensor that could detect the edges so the robot could work on those window glass doors without frames. The other one is the pressure sensor, which will monitor the vacuum status in real time. By just pressing one button, WS-1080 could intelligently schedule the most effective cleaning route, detect the window edges, and automatically clean the whole window. The owner could also manually control the robot using the remote controller. First product on my list, Hutt W66 Smart Washing Window Cleaning Robot. The Hutt W66 Window Cleaner Robot Smart Automatic Vacuum Glass Cleaning Robot. One-click start, intelligent route planning, plan the route before it start, covers the whole route in high efficiency, without missing any part. Back to origin position after it finished, easy access to high glass. Exclusive water spray design, the rake will always maintain humidity. 150 milliliters huge capacity smart water tank, it can wipe 70 to 80 square meters after fulfill the water tank, and spray water every 10 seconds for even coverage. Canada glass water and other non-corrosive cleaning agents. 2600 PA high suction, intelligent recognition of glass, fast absorption. Automatically increase cleaning pressure. Hutt Think Smart algorithm, a large number of tiny sand and stone are attached on the surface of dirty glass. If the suction is too large, wiping the glass will cause glass scratch. Frequency conversion algorithm can automatically identify the surface dirt and gently wipe the glass to protect the glass, clean the glass more relieved. Wipe while spraying water without leaving marks. The robot has a built-in water tank and smart water spray. When there is no water in the water tank, it will remind you. Add 8 sets of spray points. Spray water evenly. The rake will always maintain humidity. Anticipate in advance and avoid obstacles. Slow down in advance when close to window edge. Wipe repeatedly. Go forward and back at the corner. Ensure to clean full coverage without missing any parts. Lightweight and portable design. PS power failure protection. Even if the power is off, it can still work for 20 minutes. Intelligent sensor. 4-wheel upgrade to laser detection sensor. Hutt W66 robot adopts laser sensor, which can judge various glass glue materials, common window edge materials and borderless glass, accurately identify the edge of the glass to avoid danger,